Hello students. Now we'll solve some more questions based on area of combination of plane figures. So as you can check the diagram here. In the diagram the information is given. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. So from the word quadrant meaning yes, that is 1/4 of the circle of a radius 7 centimeter. So radius is given here 7 centimeter. ABC, so radius is given 7 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. So a semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. Find the area of shaded region. So just to check now how we will calculate the area of shaded region. Here, this portion is a semicircle and we have to calculate the area of this region. Okay, and here ABC, that is a quadrant of a circle. So till here we have a sector and then I have joined BC also. So what we call this portion? Yes, that is the segment there. So how we will calculate the area of shaded region? Yes, area of semicircle. From the area of semicircle, if we will subtract the area of this segment, then we will get the area of shaded region. So first what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the area of segment. Okay. And since radius is already given, so directly we can do that one. Okay. So first what I am doing? I am calculating the area of the segment. Okay. So just write down there. Area of segment is equal to, what will come? Area of sector ABC. Area of sector ABC minus area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABC. Sector ABC. Since it is a quadrant there, the angle is equal to 90 degrees. So we can write down there 90 by 360 into pi. So 22 by 7 into, what is the radius here? 7. So 7 into 7 minus area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So formula is half into base into height. Now we can check if cancellation is possible. We can cancel it there. 7 and 7 will get cancelled here. 4s will come and then here 2 2s. So we will get here 77 by 2 minus 49 by 2. 77 by 2 minus 49 by 2. So just to do the subtraction, denominators are same. So we don't have to do the cross multiplication also. So subtract it. 17 minus 9 will be equal to 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 28 by 2. So we will get here area of segment is equal to 14 centimeter square. Area of this segment we got there. Now what we have to calculate? Area of shaded region. So to get the area of shaded region, what we will do? Area of semicircle minus area of segment. So this one I will write somewhere. Area of segment we got 14 centimeter square. Now just to check there, in the semicircle, whether we know what is the radius of that semicircle? Don't know. So first what we have to do? We have to calculate the radius. So how we will calculate the value of BC? Triangle ABC is a right triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So just write down there. In triangle ABC, we will get there BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. What is AB? 7. So 7 square plus 7 square. As we did in one question, in the same way there, 7 square is common. Take it outside. Inside the bracket it will be equal to 1 plus 1. So we will get here 7 square into 2. That is the value of BC square. So BC will be equal to square root of 7 square into 2. Square root of 7 square will be equal to 7 into root 2. So we got BC is equal to 7 root 2. Then what will be the radius here? Suppose if I am marking the center as O there, radius will be equal to its half. So radius will be equal to 7 root 2 by 2. Okay. Now write down there. Area of shaded region is equal to, yes, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. Area of semicircle formula will be equal to half pi r square. So half into value of pi 22 by 7 into what is the radius? We have the radius 7 root 2 by 2. So it will be equal to 7 root 2 by 2 into 7 root 2 by 2 minus area of segment. That already we have calculated, that is equal to 14. Now we can check how we can do the cancellation here. Yes, 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Then here 2 and 11 will get cancelled. Then root 2 into root 2. What is root 2 into root 2? 2. So 1 2 also will get cancelled there. So what is remaining here? 11 into 7, 77 by 2 minus 14. Now instead of doing the cross multiplication, here only can we convert in decimal there. What will come? 77 by 2. Just divide it mentally. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 will come. So 17. 2 8s are 16. Now 1 will remain there. So point we will put, then we will get 1 0 there. So 38.5 minus 14 can be written as 14.0. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus 0 5. 8 minus 4 4. 3 minus 1 2. So we will get there 24.5 centimeter square. So I think this question is clear how we have calculated the area of shaded region. Now you can check the diagram there. To check the information given here, it is ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. So side is given 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn. Here you can check some semicircles are there. Semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. So AB is the diameter for the semicircle. Then what will be the radius there? Yes, the radius will be equal to 5 centimeter. Question is find the area of unshaded region there. So first we can mark the unshaded region here. First, second, third, fourth. Now we will check first how we will calculate the area of that unshaded region there. Okay, so just to check this one there. Okay, from the area of square, if I will subtract the area of these two semicircles, so what I will get? Yes, I will get the area of first and second region. In the same way, area of third and fourth, how we will do? From the area of square, again we will subtract the area of these two semicircles. And I think that two areas will be same only there. So one we will calculate and remaining we can just write directly there. Okay. So just write down there area of first plus second is equal to area of first plus second is equal to area of square minus area of two semicircles. So just write down there area of square minus area of two semicircles. Clear it is? Okay. So area of square, yes, that will be equal to 10 into 10 minus how many semicircles are there? Two semicircles are there. So two semicircles, if we will join, what will happen? Yes, it will become a circle. So we can directly use the formula for area of circle there. So that will be equal to pi r square. So in place of pi, we can substitute 3.14 into r square. Radius is 5. So it will be equal to 5 square. So 10 into 10. If you want, you can take common factor outside. Okay. How we will do this one? How we can rewrite 10? 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 minus 3.14 into 5 square. So just to check here, we have 5 square here and we have 5 square here also. So 5 square taken common. 5 square means 25 taken common. So what is remaining here inside the bracket? 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3.14. Now we can do the subtraction there. 25 into 4 minus, so 4.00 minus 3.14. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. Here 3 minus 3, 0. So we will get there 25 into 0.86. Now we can do the multiplication. 25 6a. 25 6a is 150. So 0 carry over 15. What is 25 8a? 25 8a is 200. 200 plus 15 will be equal to 215. Now just to check, after the decimal sign we have 2 digits. So here also count 1, 2. So here we will put the decimal sign. So we will get here 21.5 centimeter square. That is area of first and second region. So area of fourth and third region also will be the same only. That we are not showing. Directly we will write down there. Okay, so write down there area of, so shall I write directly now? Area of first plus second plus third plus fourth is equal to, what we got, area of first plus second as 21.5. So similarly area of third and fourth also will be same only. So that also will come 21.5. Now just you can add these two, what will come? That will be equal to 43 centimeter square. So area of unshaded region is equal to 43 centimeter square. Now what we have to calculate, second part is area of shaded region. So how we will calculate the area of shaded region now? Yes, from the area of square we will subtract the area of unshaded region. So write down there area of shaded region is equal to, area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of unshaded, that is first plus second plus third plus fourth. What is area of square? 10 into 10, 100 minus area of unshaded region is 43. So 100 minus 43, that will be equal to 57. So area of shaded region is equal to 57 centimeter square. This question is from your textbook example question, but in that one it is not given that find the area of unshaded region. But shaded region you cannot calculate without calculating the area of unshaded region. So I made it into two parts. Okay. Now in this question it is written, with vertices ABC of a triangle ABC as centers, arcs are drawn with radii 5 centimeter. So here each radius is equal to 5 centimeter. If AB is equal to 14 centimeter, AB is equal to 14 centimeter, BC is equal to 48 centimeter and AC is equal to 50 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. So this is the shaded region, as you can check the diagram. Okay. So can you tell me how we will do this one? Yes. Okay. From the area of triangle, if we will subtract the area of these three, if arc we have drawn there, what is these areas called? Yes, they all are sectors there. So from the area of triangle, if I will subtract the area of these three sectors, we will get the area of shaded region. Now, how to calculate the area of the triangle there? We have two formulas there. One is half into base into height, and other one is Heron's formula. Okay. So before going to Heron's formula, just we can check whether it is a right triangle. because if it is a right triangle, calculation will be easy for us. If it is not a right triangle, then obviously we will use Heron's formula only to calculate the area. Just we can check whether altitude square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square or not there. Okay. So we are checking. Okay. So just to check whether AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Don't write there it is equal to. We are checking. Okay. So 14 square plus 48 square. What is 14 square? 14 square is 196 and 48 square. I think that is 2304. Okay. That is 2304. Just check. I think it will be correct only there. Now just check what will come. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So we are getting here 2500. Now can you tell me what is AC square? Yes, 50 square also will come 2500 only. So what we are getting here? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So we can say triangle ABC is a right triangle. So if it is a right triangle, directly we can calculate the area using the formula half into base into height. So first I am going to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Formula is half into base into height. So half into 14 into 48. Now we can cancel it there. 2 and 14 we can cancel because multiplication by 7 will be easy for us. 7 8s are 56. Carry over 5. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5 will be equal to 33. So area of triangle is equal to 336 centimeter square. So I am writing here area of triangle we got here 336 centimeter square. Now from area of triangle what we have to subtract? We have to subtract the area of these three sectors. Okay. So we will write down now area of 3 sectors is equal to area of 3 sectors is equal to, if you will check the first sector, at present we don't know what is the value of this angle. So I am writing it as angle A only. Okay. So according to the formula we know it will come A by 360 into pi r square. Correct? In place of r, if you want you can write 5. Okay. A by 360 into pi into 5 square plus next one will come B by 360 into pi into 5 square. Then third one will come C by 360 into pi into 5 square. Anything common here? Yes. Pi into 5 square common and this 360 also common. So take it outside. Pi into 5 square by 360 taken common. What will come inside the bracket? Inside the bracket remaining is A plus B plus C. And can you tell me what will be the value of A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. They are the angles of a triangle. So its sum will be equal to 180 degree. Now we can simplify it. Here 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 18 2s is 36. Pi. So in place of pi we can substitute 3.14 into 25 by 2. Now can we multiply this one? Okay. 25 4s are 100. Carry over 10. 25 1s are 25 plus 10 will be equal to 35. Carry over 3. 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 3 will be equal to 78 and 2 zeros there. So 78.5 by 2. Now we can cancel here. It will be equal to 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 will remain there. So 2 9s are 18. Then point 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. So 39.25 area of these three sectors together there. Now write down area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region. I am writing A. Okay. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle that already we have calculated 336 minus area of these three sectors that we got here 39.25. Now I think you can do the subtraction and you can write down the answer here. Now in this question it is given ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. AB is equal to 18 centimeter. AB is equal to 18 centimeter. DC is equal to 32 centimeter. Then distance between AB and DC. Distance between AB and DC. Distance whenever we are saying means that is the perpendicular distance. So distance between AB and DC is given here 14 centimeter. Now circles of equal radii 7 centimeter with centers as A, B, C and D are drawn. So radii of all these are same 7 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. So from the diagram only I think it is clear how we will calculate the area of shaded region. Yes, area of trapezium minus area of these four sectors, that only we have to do here. So first only we can calculate what will be the formula of what will be the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium ABCD. What is the formula for that? Half into A plus B into H. What is that A plus B? Parallel sides of the trapezium. So formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, that is the formula for area of trapezium. If you don't know, you can write this formula somewhere. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into our parallel sides are 18 centimeter and 32 centimeter. And what is the height given? 14 centimeter. So half into 18 plus 32 you can add, then it will be equal to 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 50 into 14. These two we can cancel, 2 7s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So we will get area of trapezium is equal to 350 centimeter square. So I am writing here area of trapezium we got here 350 centimeter square. Now from the area of trapezium we have to subtract the area of these four sectors. So write down there area of 4 sectors is equal to area of 4 sectors is equal to, if you will check the first one, angle here it is A. So A by 360 into pi r square. What is the radius? Radius of each is 7 centimeters. So pi into 7 square plus B by 360 into pi into 7 square plus C by 360 into pi into 7 square plus D by 360 into pi into 7 square. Anything common here? Yes, pi into 7 square by 360 taken common. Inside the bracket what will remain? A plus B plus C plus D. And what is this A plus B plus C plus D? They are the angles of a trapezium or angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here also it will come 360 degree. So 360 and 360 will get cancelled there. Now in place of pi we can substitute 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 1 7 will get cancelled. Remaining we can multiply. 7 2s are 14. Carry over 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So 154 centimeter square. That is area of 4 sectors. Now write down there, area of shaded region is equal to, area of shaded region is equal to area of trapezium that we got here, 350 minus area of 4 sectors. So 350 minus 154. Do the subtraction and write your answer in centimeter square. Now you can check in this question what is written. From a thin metallic piece, you can check in the shape of a trapezium ABCD, in which AB parallel to CD, angle BCD 90 degree is given here, angle BCD 90 degree, a quarter circle BEFC here, a quarter circle is removed from the trapezium. We removed this portion. Given here, AB is equal to BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. DE is equal to 2 centimeter. DE is equal to 2 centimeter. Find the area of the remaining piece of the metal sheet. So from the diagram it will be clear to you what we have to do. Yes, from trapezium we have to subtract the area of this. Since it is 90 degree means it is a quadrant of a circle. Okay, so directly we can do, we know the radius also, and if you will check here, it is a trapezium. We want half into sum of parallel sides. So one we have 3.5 here. Till here it is given 2. So can you tell me what will be CE? Yes, this is the quadrant of a circle. Correct. Quadrant of a circle means this is the center and this will be the radius. Correct. So if CB is the radius means CE also will be the radius. So CE also will be equal to 3.5 centimeter. And height, since it is given this is perpendicular, so always perpendicular distance is denoted by height. So we have the height also 3.5. So all the things we have. So can be calculated directly. Okay. So write down there, area of shaded region is equal to, area of shaded region is equal to area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Okay. Area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides. Our parallel sides are 3.5 plus 2 plus 3.5. So that will be equal to 5.5 into height. What is the height we have here? 3.5. Okay. Minus area of quadrant. Either you can use 1 by 4 into pi r square or if you don't want that, you can take this angle as 90 degree, because 90 by 360 will give you 1 by 4 only. So shall I write here 1 by 4? Okay. So 1 by 4 into pi, 22 by 7 into, what is the radius we have here? 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5. Now we can check how we can do it easily. 1 by 2 into 3.5 plus 5.5. What it will come? Yes, 5 plus 3, 8. 0.5 plus 0.5 will be equal to 1. So 8 plus 1, 9 into 3.5 minus here 7 and 3.5 we can cancel. So that will come here 0.5. Correct? And then 4 and 2 also. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So now we are just writing what are the things remaining here. 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 by 2. Correct? These are the things remaining. Now we can check how anything we can take common. Yes, 3.5 is common and 2 is also common. So take it outside. So what are the things taken outside? 3.5 and 2. So 3.5 by 2 taken common. 3.5 taken common, 2 taken common. So remaining it will be equal to 9 minus 3.5 taken common, these 2 taken common. So remaining is 11 into 0.5. 11 5s are 55. So it will be equal to 5.5. So we will get here 3.5 by 2 into 9 minus 5.5. What will be 9 minus 5? 4. 4 minus 0.5? 3.5. So we will get here 3.5. Now multiplication of these type number, when 5 is there in the unit place and these two numbers are same, easy method is there. How we can multiply? 5 5s are 25. Directly write down that one. And then what is the number here common is 3. And what is the number next to 3? 4. So just multiply 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 35 into 35 will be equal to 1225. And now since we have decimal number and we have 2 digits after the decimal. So count 1, 2. 2 digits and write down the decimal sign here. Now we can cancel it by 2. Then it will be equal to 2 6 are 12. Then put the decimal sign. 2 1s are. And then 2 2s are will come. If you want you can write 5 also. So 6.125 centimeter square. Now in this question, it is already informations are given there. AC is equal to 12 centimeter. BC is equal to 16 centimeter. Angle C 90 degree. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region correct to 1 decimal place. And in instruction given, use pi is equal to 3.142. Okay. So now we can check how to calculate the perimeter and area of the shaded region. So area is okay there. That is area of semicircle minus area of triangle there. So for a semicircle we should know what is the radius there. And since here it is the angle 90 degree means AB is the diameter, because angle subtended by a diameter in a circle is 90 degree there. So AB is the diameter. So first we can calculate what will be the value of AB. So we will use Pythagoras theorem. So we'll get there in triangle ABC. The side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to 12 square plus 16 square. What is 12 square? 144. And what is 16 square? 256. So if you know the square of all these numbers, calculations will be easy for you. You will you need less time to calculate there. Otherwise, then all these will be lengthy for you. Now just add there 6 plus 4, 10. Carry over 1. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So we are getting here AB square is equal to 400. Then AB will be equal to, yes, AB will be equal to 20 centimeter. So we got the diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. Then radius will be equal to, if suppose O is the center, then radius will be equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so we know now all the things which we required to calculate the area and perimeter. Now first question is perimeter. So whenever we are calculating the perimeter of any figure means sum of all its boundaries. Okay, so perimeter of the shaded region. So if you will check the shaded region consists of these portions here. First this line is there in the boundary, then this line is there and this line is there. So when we will calculate the perimeter of shaded region, what we will write? Yes, we will write circumference of the semicircle plus BC plus AC. So write down there perimeter is equal to circumference of semicircle plus which one? Plus BC plus AC. Circumference of semicircle. What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So circumference of a semicircle will be equal to half into 2 pi r plus BC is equal to 16 and AC is equal to 12. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled here. And already instruction is given in the question. Use pi is equal to 3.142. Don't take the value of pi in your choice if it is given in the question. Okay. So pi is equal to 3.142 into radius is equal to 10 plus 16 and 12 we can add. So that will be equal to 28. Now when we will multiply it by 10, decimal sign will move to right hand side. After how many digits? After 1 digit. Why? Because in 10 we have only 1 0. Then we will get here 31.42 plus 28. Now whenever you are doing the addition or subtraction, number of digits after the decimal should be same. Here number of digits 2. Here we don't have any decimal sign. So how we will rewrite? 28.00 plus 31.42. In addition, if you will not write, no problem. But in subtraction, it is must. Okay. Otherwise, you will do the mistake. Then it will come here 8 plus 1 9. 59.42. 59.42 centimeter. That is perimeter of the shaded region. Now we will check what will be the area of the shaded region. What will come? Area is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. So area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. Area of semicircle formula half into pi r square. So 3.142 into 10 square. So that will be equal to 100 minus area of triangle ABC. It is a right triangle. So we can use the formula half into base into height. So half into 12 into 16. Now just to check if anything will get cancelled, first we can multiply these two. So now here decimal sign will move where? To right hand side after 2 digits. So we will get here 314.2 divided by 2 minus, here we can cancel this one, 2 8s are 16, 12 8s are 96. Now here we can cancel this one, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, so 11 will come, 2 5s are 10, again 1 will come, 2 7s are 14, so 157.1. 157.1 minus 96.0 you can write, and then just to do the subtraction and write down the answer. I think this question is clear. So all of you, whatever we studied in today's class, I think all these questions are clear to you. So please note down your homework. Your homework is exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3 from question number 1 to question number 9. Exercise 12.3 from question number 1 to question number 9. Homework exercise 12.3 from question number 1 to question number 9. So please do the homework, and in case of any doubt you can ask. Thank you.